sponsor of our everyday moments. Like your first three-pointer, getting a high score in your favorite video game, riding your bike to a friend's house, landing
in 1,000 feet, turn left onto South 39th Street.
What the fuck was that?
This is Babe Ruth. This is almost what the Bambino. I smoked 25 goddamn black Cuban cigars a day. I had meat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I fucked 18 prostitutes a night. Of course, I'm dead now.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Oklahoma Avenue.
How we get there matters, but being there matters more.
Turn left on 35th Street and pick me up a pack of cigarettes. Phone down, dumb bitch.
In half a mile, turn right. Then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.